roaming the vast forests, frigid tundras and towering mountains. The wolf stands as one of nature's most iconic and revered predators. With senses honed to a razor's edge, a complex social structure, and incredible adaptability, the wolf is a living testament to millions of years of evolution, perfectly sculpted to thrive in diverse and often unforgiving environments. This is the story of its journey from ancient canid ancestors to the apex predator we know today. The story of the wolf begins in the distant past. As members of the Canidae family, which includes foxes, jackals, and our beloved domestic dogs, their evolutionary lineage stretches back over 2 to 3 million years. It all started with small, fox-like ancestors that roamed the ancient landscapes of Eurasia and North America. In the great theater of life, natural selection began to favor specific traits that would define their destiny. Pack hunting emerged as a strategy for greater efficiency and survival, allowing them to tackle prey much larger than themselves. Teeth grew sharper, jaws stronger, perfectly designed for capturing and processing their quarry. Their sense of smell, hearing, sight became exceptionally keen, vital for tracking prey and evading danger. These fundamental traits became the very foundation of the modern wolf's survival strategy, setting the stage for their rise. As millennia passed, the wolf family tree branched out, giving rise to a fascinating diversity of species. Tigray wolf * Canis lupus * is the most widespread and familiar, a symbol of wildness across the northern hemisphere, but its family has many remarkable relatives. Imagine the dire wolf, an extinct giant of the Pleistocene, larger and more robust, a formidable hunter of prehistoric megafauna in North America. Then there's the elegant Ethiopian wolf, smaller and more slender, specialized for hunting small mammals in the high-altitude grasslands of Africa. And we can't forget the endangered red wolf, uniquely adapted to the forests and swamps of North America. This incredible variety is a perfect example of adaptive radiation, where different species evolve to master distinct habitats, each carving out its own niche in the world. To become an apex predator, the wolf evolved a suite of remarkable physical adaptations. Its powerful jaws, capable of exerting immense pressure, and its sharp, interlocking teeth are ideal for tearing through tough hide and even crushing bone to access nutritious marrow. Its body is a marvel of engineering, built for endurance. Strong legs and efficient lungs allow wolves to run for long distances, relentlessly pursuing their prey over miles of challenging terrain. In northern habitats, a thick, multi-layered fur coat and layers of insulating fat provide essential protection against extreme, bone-chilling cold. These physical tools allowed wolves to not only survive, but to dominate vast landscapes, thriving in climates ranging from the scorching desert to the frozen Arctic. But a wolf's strength isn't just in its physical prowess. Its true power lies in its social nature. Wolves are highly intelligent, social animals, and their incredible success is inextricably linked to their pack structure. A typical pack is a family unit, usually consisting of a breeding alpha pair and their offspring from various years. This tight-knit group provides a framework for cooperative hunting and mutual protection. Communication is the glue that holds the pack together. A complex language of howls that echo through the wilderness, subtle body language, and sophisticated scent marking are all used to maintain coordination, define territory, and reinforce social bonds. When hunting, this social cohesion becomes a lethal weapon. Packs strategically coordinate their efforts to chase, exhaust, and capture large, powerful prey like deer, elk, and even bison, feat nearly impossible for a lone wolf. This intricate social organization and shared intelligence were critical evolutionary advantages, giving them a significant edge in the constant struggle for survival. The life cycle of the wolf is perfectly synchronized with the seasons and the needs of the pack. They have a seasonal breeding cycle, with the alpha female typically giving birth to a litter of 4 to 6 pups in the spring. In a wolf pack, reproduction is often led by the alpha pair, ensuring that the strongest and most experienced individuals pass on their genes. The pups are born blind and helpless, but they are nurtured and fiercely protected by the entire pack. Every member, from the alphas to older siblings, plays a role in feeding, guarding, and teaching the young. A pup's survival hinges on this incredible cooperation, on learning the vital skills of the hunt, and on understanding the complex social dynamics of the pack. These reproductive strategies don't just ensure the survival of individual pups, they reinforce the strength and continuity of the pack as a whole, generation after generation. As carnivorous apex predators, wolves sit at the top of the food chain. Their diet consists primarily of large hoofed animals, known as ungulates, but they are opportunistic, and will also hunt small mammals or scavenge on carrion when necessary. Their hunting strategy is a masterclass in teamwork. By working in a coordinated group, they can test herds for weak or old individuals, increasing their chances of a successful hunt while minimizing risk and energy expenditure. Their adaptability to scarcity is another key to their success. When large prey is scarce, wolves can survive on smaller animals like beavers, rabbits, or even mice. This dietary flexibility is crucial. Furthermore, their phenomenal long-distance stamina allows them to track prey for many miles, a patient and persistent pursuit that often outlasts their target. These highly evolved hunting behaviors, combined with their physical and social adaptations, make wolves some of the most efficient and effective predators on the planet. The wolf's evolutionary journey is profoundly significant. They are a keystone species, a prime example of how social, physical, and behavioral adaptations can converge to drive unparalleled evolutionary success. We see it in their powerful physical traits, built for hunting and endurance. We see it in their complex social structures, which improve survival, hunting, success, and reproduction. And we see it in their astonishing ability to adapt to a vast range of habitats, from the icy tundras of the north to the arid deserts of the south. Beyond their own success, wolves have played a crucial role in shaping the very ecosystems they inhabit. By preying on herbivores, they control population sizes, which in turn prevents overgrazing and allows plant life to flourish, creating healthier, more balanced environments for all species. They are, in essence, architects of the wild. In the end, the evolution of the wolf is an epic story of adaptation, intelligence, and resilience. From their humble beginnings as small canid ancestors to their reign as powerful pack hunters, wolves exemplify the sheer power of natural selection to sculpt a perfect predator capable of surviving and thriving in some of the most challenging environments on Earth. They remind us that evolution is not just about the survival of the fittest individual, but about the power of complex cooperation, environmental mastery, and an enduring legacy of success written across millennia. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the wild heart of the wolf. If you found this story as fascinating as we do, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tailies from the natural world. We'll see you next time.